To another video of Master UPSC PYQ. In today's video, we will be solving a question from 2024 UPSC Prelims question paper. So, in today's video, we will be discussing about statement 1, statement 2 type of questions. Why? Because many of my friends have told me that they are finding it very difficult to solve statement 1, statement 2 type of question where they are not able to connect between statement 1 and statement 2, and they are not able to find whether the statement 2 is the exact reason for statement 1. So in today's video, I'll be giving you a tip on how to solve this type of questions. So before going to give you a tip or solving the question, let me draw some observations from this type of questions. The statement 1, statement 2 type of questions. Let's draw some conclusion from how the options are being set. So first observation is that, see, when you read the options, you understand that if you have found whether statement 1 or statement, after reading statement 1 and statement 2, if you are sure that either statement 1 or statement 2 is wrong, then you can directly go to C or D, because that's how the options are set. For example, if both the statements are correct, then you have to choose A and B, because the option says that both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. B says that statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So if both are correct, you have to choose between A and B. If either one is wrong, then you have to choose between C and D. So that's the first observation. That is, if you are sure that either of the statement, if one of the statement in the statement 1 and statement 2 is wrong, then you will get directly, you can find the answer, which can be either C or D. That's the first observation. So the second observation that we can draw from this type of question is that once you have found out that statement 1 and statement 2 is right, you can go to either A or B. And in that, the next thing that you have to do is you have to find out whether the statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. That's the thing that you have to do. That's the next step. So first observation that we can do it easily, and most of the people are confused about finding whether statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1. So I'll be giving a small tip through explaining the question on how to solve or how to find out whether it is the correct explanation. To solve this question, the 22nd question. So let me read the question. Consider the following statements. Statement 1. Many chewing gums found in the market are considered a source of environmental pollution. And statement 2 says that many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. Okay, now let's go through the question again. Let's break it down. So they are saying that many chewing gums, so there are many chewing gums which are found in the market are considered a source of environmental pollution. They are saying that there are many chewing gums in the market, and those can be considered a source of environmental pollution. And what you need to understand is that the environmental pollution is a broad term. It can be air, it can be water, it can be soil, or any other type. So the many chewing gums which is found in the market are considered a source of environmental pollution. Yes, there are possibilities, because the chewing gums can be of any type. We do not know, but it can be considered a source of environmental pollution, because the environmental pollution, the term itself is a broad term, and the chewing gums have that kind of characteristics. So there is a possibility. Okay, there is a possibility, and we are leaving the statement for now. And what does the statement 2 says? That many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. So generally we do not engulf this chewing gum, because we know that it's harmful to our body, and also it has that sticky characteristics. And from that, our awareness or our observation, we can understand that there can be some kind of plastic in that chewing gums. So, and the UPSC itself is saying that many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. So that is also a possibility. And what you need to understand that, or to now, both statement 1 and statement 2, there is a possibility of the statement 1 and statement 2 being correct. So to find whether, so we are eliminating C and D, because from reading itself and from our observation itself, we understood that statement 1 and statement 2 can be correct. So now to find whether statement 1, statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1, what you need to do is you need to just write a because here. Okay, now you read the question. Okay, many chewing gums found in the market are considered a source of environmental pollution because many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. So because of the chewing gums containing plastic, many chewing gums found in the market can be considered a source of environmental pollution. So if you draw a circle here, you can see that there is an intersection. That intersection is the possibility. There is a possibility because many chewing gums found in the market are considered source of environmental pollution because many chewing gums contain plastic as gum base. So there is a possibility for statement 1 and statement 2 being correct because of the chewing gums containing plastic as gum base. So there is some kind of intersection that we can find between statement 1 and statement 2. So we can take safely option A as the answer. To verify the answer, we can see that 22nd is